All right, here we are at Civita Park. We are here to see this mural, which I have another video with more details, but it is in portrait mode. Here we are taking landscape mode. This is a mural created by Kevin Anderson, and it is a depiction of all the different things you're going to see in San Diego County. Let me pan up because the mural does go completely overhead, and then you are back down. So what you're looking at is going to be from Fallbrook, Temecula, Menifee, which are located in northern San Diego County. The San Diego Safari Park, which is in Escondido. Avocado trees of Fallbrook, Gulf, Ramona, lemon trees, Horseback, which would be Lakeside, Lemons, which is Lemon Grove, the Cross on the Hill, which would be Mount Helix, and then we have the lovely city of Julian, known for its apple pies. Fun fact, most of the apples used there are not grown there, but there are some lovely bed and breakfasts located in Julian for a great weekend getaway. And then you also see a depiction of Palomar Observatory, the Kumeyaay, who are the people of this area. You see a lady, let me zoom in. She is depicted there next to the elk. And then all the way to the eastern part of the county, which would be the Borrego Springs and the desert area, Ocotillo, etc. And then we come back to the left side, and that is going to be the waterfront downtown, Balboa Park, Presidio, the pandas of the San Diego Zoo. You see that there were some children, Civita Kids Art, that also helped with the project. You see the San Diego Chargers, Junior Seau, Tony Gwynn, depicted for the Padres, Petco Park, Little Italy, some people walking along the waterfront, the USS Midway, the buildings of downtown, the Coronado Bay Bridge. You see Fly Navy, which is going to be the North Island Naval Air Station, Star of India, Hotel del Coronado, the sailboats in the bay, the mariachis, which would be representing Old Town, SeaWorld Tower, and roller coasters, and then the waterfront of La Jolla. So this is really cool. I think they have this rock barrier kind of to prevent people from just walking up freely to the mural. Over time, if too many hands are touching it, then it can become dilapidated. Okay, so let's take a look from this location. You can see this park is massive. You can see the cars on the freeway there, and the park is just a little bit more to the forefront of that. You can see some tents and other structures. There is a farmer's market here today, so I will be visiting that. There are residences along the sides. So if you're looking to live near this park, this is located in the Mission Valley area. This pool is private property. I believe it is associated with all the residences. Doesn't look too busy to me. There's actually two pools. There's one, it looks like there's an exercise pool, a jacuzzi, and then a little like relaxation pool. It looks like a zero entry as well, so that's definitely an upscale. All right, I brought you up here on my portrait mode video, so I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will try to link that other video for you. But this is Civita Park, located in the Mission Valley area of San Diego. So this would be right off of the 8 freeway and Qualcomm Way, and I believe it's actually on Civita Boulevard. Excellent place for walking, a picnic, strolling along with your kids. If you are staying down in Hotel Circle or the Mission Valley area, or even closer to downtown, this is 5, 10, 15 minutes away. Great place to get some energy out. Maybe you have an off day during your vacation here. This would be a great place to just come out and check out. There's even a scent garden. You can explore the different kind of plants and the topography of this area. Lots of space. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.